Good day, my friend. In today's video I will show you how to remove the rear seats on a Mercedes W124 sedan, 4 doors. To remove the rear seat is very easy. All we need is a spanner of 8 or a ratchet like this with the number 8. Okay, so what do? We lift this up, and now on the side here you will see there's 2 red buttons. We're gonna press them and lift this up. Now, as you see from this, we have to pull the seat a little bit forward to disengage it, okay? And then we take it off. Now we're gonna use the spanner of 8 or the ratchet, whatever you have. And here, you see where you got the rubber for the door, just here, there's number 8 here that we're gonna be removing. We do it here and on the other side. And then we're gonna be able to remove the seat. To remove the upper part of the seat, we're just gonna now lift it up, disengage it from the top, and we're gonna be able to remove it. Now, in order to place it back, it's exactly the same but in reverse, okay? Just make sure that the top part is placed properly in its grip at the top. If not, you'll have a problem. It won't be fitted properly. Okay, so once it's done, place back the screws, and obviously the seat goes back in its position. And that's it, done. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope that you have liked the video, and I hope that it is useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have a Mercedes W124, because that channel contains hundreds of videos about the car, and that will save you tons and tons of money if you want to make the job yourself. So until I shoot the next video, take care of yourself. See ya.